you simplify by combining like radicals. If you say like radicals, the same yung kanilang radican. Okay? So, only like radicals ang pwede nating i-combine. Pag hindi sila similar or similar radicals, pag hindi the same yung kanilang radican, hindi sila pwedeng i-combine. Okay? So, this expression is a like radicals or similar radicals. Therefore, pwede natin silang i-combine. So, yung i-combine natin dito or ang i-add natin dito is yung kanilang coefficient, which is 5, 4, and negative 6 or minus 6. So, 5 plus 4, that is 9, minus 6, so 3. Okay? And then, we have to copy yung common na radical or common na radical na square root of 2. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.